Hello there, this is Joseph and welcome to Joseph IT Technology Engineer. Today I am facing a problem with my Bluetooth, and in my taskbar there is no Bluetooth icon and I'm really feeling problem with it, and I'm going to fix it. So let's do it. First of all, start and then settings, and from there type device manager and go there. When device manager appears, then simply expand Bluetooth USB option and select it, right click and update driver. I'm just choosing search automatically for updated driver software and hope it will help. Okay, it's saying that it has successfully updated my driver, and now what I have to do, I just have to restart my system and have to come back in order to check whether it is there or not. And initially I'm seeing that it is there. As you can see, the icon is there. Yes, it's also working. What I need to do, first of all, I have to restart and do yours, and I hope it will work for you too. And as you can see, after updating, there are so many drivers for Bluetooth and it is fixed. Hope you really found this video useful, and if you face any problem like this with your Bluetooth option, then you can surely fix it like this, the way I have shown. Please don't forget to like the video, share your experience and your result after trying this, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. See you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.